was taking a walk through the local park, something caught my eye. A black and white insect on a leaf in my peripheral vision. I did some investigating. Turns out it's a nymph of the spotted lanternfly, the invasive species that is increasingly becoming more prolific around the mid-Atlantic, the eastern seaboard. I'm Storm Team 4 meteorologist and science teacher Ryan Miller. The spotted lanternfly hatches from eggs in the spring, and as it goes through stages, as it molts between stages, these are called instar stages. It goes through 4 instars before it becomes an adult. And right now across the DMV, you're going to notice these black and white distinctive insects as they are now showing up around areas that have lots of vegetation. It turns out, as I was going through the park, I noticed a pattern. One of the plants was really attracting a lot of the spotted lanternflies. That plant is an invasive species as well. Turns out it's near and close to the location, the home location of the spotted lanternfly in Asia. It is the porcelain berry. If you have porcelain berry vines growing in and around your property, you may have and are attracting the nymphs, these juvenile stages of the spotted lanternfly. It takes roughly 2 to 3 weeks to go through these stages, depending upon the weather, depending upon other factors in the environment. And as it goes through these stages, it molts and grows and gets larger, and then ultimately that 4th instar, that 4th stage before it becomes an adult, it gains that reddish color. This usually happens towards July, when you will start to see these types of nymphs in and around the environment, and ultimately by July and August we'll start to see the adults coming around. If you see one, smash it, clap it. They do not sting, they do not bite, so you're not going to get harmed by causing the demise of these spotted lanternfly nymphs. The issue, though, is they're hard to catch. They can jump really quickly and get away from you in just a split second. So you have to be diligent in your predation of the spotted lanternfly nymphs. There have been, and I did some investigating, could you use soap, something that's non-insecticidal, to try and kill the spotted lanternfly? Maybe a little bit of dish soap with some water. I sprayed and put some mixture together. Didn't really see an impact as I tested it on some of the spotted lanternflies in my backyard. You could also use a mixture of vinegar and some rubbing alcohol, put that together in a spray bottle. But as I sprayed that on some of the spotted lanternflies, again, it did not directly and immediately kill the insects. They just kept going. So I'm not sure of the efficacy of either the soap or the alcohol and the white vinegar. Nevertheless, if you can get your hands on one of these spotted lanternfly nymphs, make sure you're doing the environment a good thing, smash it, so that we can try to reduce the numbers of this invasive species. I'm Storm Team 4 meteorologist and science teacher Ryan Miller.